Imagine this. You have $100 and you're challenged to turn it into $1,000 in just 7 days. Is it possible? At first glance, it seems like an impossible dream. But for risk takers and seasoned traders, it's a tantalizing prospect. Let's dive into this daring scenario and explore the strategies, risks, and reality behind such a bold goal. Our journey starts with a trader named Alex, who accepts this ambitious challenge. With a background in Forex trading and some experience in cryptocurrencies, Alex knows this isn't going to be a walk in the park. The first rule? High leverage. Using a broker offering 1 to 500 leverage, Alex has access to $50,000 in buying power, thanks to the initial $100 deposit. But leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify both profits and losses. Alex starts by targeting a highly volatile currency pair, EUR/USD, which offers quick price movements. The first trade involves a trend continuation setup. After hours of careful analysis and a bit of luck, the $100 grows to $150. A promising start. But is it sustainable? On the second day, Alex switches to cryptocurrencies, drawn by their notorious volatility. The plan? Ride the momentum of Bitcoin, which has just broken out of a key resistance level. Using a 0.01 lot size and scalping for small but frequent profits, Alex successfully grows the account to $250 by the end of the day. The key lesson? Risk management. Although aggressive, Alex never risks more than 5% of the account on a single trade. But as the stakes get higher, so do the emotions. By the third day, confidence is running high. Alex's goal for the day is to reach $400. However, overconfidence leads to overtrading, a common trap for traders aiming for rapid growth. After several small losses, the balance dips back to $200. Frustrated but determined, Alex takes a break, reassesses the strategy, and decides to focus on fewer but higher quality trades. A single well-executed trade on GBP/JPY brings the account back to $320 by the evening. The takeaway? Discipline is everything. Chasing losses is a surefire way to derail any plan. Day 4 is a turning point. Alex spots a clear smart money trap in the euro-dollar market. Retail traders are piling into a false breakout, creating a perfect opportunity for Alex to capitalize on the liquidity grab. The trade pays off big, pushing the balance to $600. But instead of continuing to trade, Alex decides to stop for the day. A move of rare discipline for a trader in such a high-stakes challenge. With $600 in the account, Alex is closer than ever to the $1,000 target. However, success breeds complacency. On day 5, a poorly planned trade on gold results in a $200 loss, bringing the balance down to $400. Shaken but not defeated, Alex refocuses on the original strategy: high probability setups and strict risk management. By the end of the day, a calculated trade on USD/CAD brings the balance back to $550. The lesson? Never deviate from your plan, no matter how tempting it may seem. With just 2 days left, Alex knows there's no room for error. Every trade is meticulously planned, and every risk is calculated. Using a breakout strategy on Ethereum, Alex makes $150, bringing the account to $700. Later that day, a scalping session on the Nasdaq 100 index adds another $100 to the balance. By the end of day 6, the account stands at $800. So close to the goal, yet still far enough to feel the pressure. The final day arrives, and Alex needs to make $200 to complete the challenge. The pressure is immense, but Alex remains focused. The first trade of the day is a failure, resulting in a $50 loss. Undeterred, Alex analyzes the euro to US dollar market and spots a textbook supply and demand zone setup. With calculated precision, the trade nets a $150 profit. Now at $900, Alex places one last trade, An aggressive move on GBP USD with a tight stop loss and a high reward-to-risk ratio. As the minutes tick by, the trade hits the take-profit level and the balance jumps to $1,000. Turning $100 into $1,000 in 7 days is undeniably possible, but it requires high risk tolerance. The strategy involves significant leverage and exposure. Emotional control. Trading under pressure can lead to impulsive decisions. Advanced skills. This isn't a challenge for beginners. While Alex succeeded, the reality is that such challenges often end in losses. For every success story, there are countless traders who blow their accounts attempting the same feat. This story isn't just about turning $100 into $1,000. It's about the discipline, focus, and resilience required to achieve ambitious goals. Whether you're a trader or pursuing success in another field, the principles remain the same. Stick to your plan, manage your risks, and never stop learning. So, would you take the $100 to $1,000 challenge? And more importantly, would you be ready to face the risks it entails?